In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Obsidian Properties. By the end, you'll understand how to configure how properties appear in your notes, how to view all properties across your vault, and how to search and edit them efficiently, all without adding extra complexity to your workflow. Start by opening Obsidian and making sure you have a note or your vault open. Properties are the structured fields at the top of a note that help you capture consistent metadata like tags, dates, sources, or statuses. They're incredibly useful for organization, search, and automation, so it's worth taking a minute to set them up the way you prefer. Next, open Settings. You'll find the Settings button in the left sidebar. Click it to open the configuration panel. Inside Settings, go to the Editor section. This is where Obsidian keeps options that control how your notes render and behave, including properties. In the Editor settings, look for the section labeled Properties and Document. This determines how properties are shown inside your note. You'll see three choices: Source, Hidden, and Visible. Source shows the raw source format at the top of the note, which is helpful if you like to work directly with the underlying text and keep everything in a single view. Hidden hides the property section from the document view, which keeps your note body clean while still keeping the data available behind the scenes for search and plugins. Visible shows a tidy, editable properties panel at the top of the note, which is great if you want a clear, structured interface for adding and changing fields without touching raw text. Choose the option that matches your preference. If you're not sure, Visible is a friendly starting point because it makes properties easy to see and edit. If you later decide you want a more minimal look or prefer to work with Source, you can return here and change it at any time. When you've made your selection, close the Settings panel to return to your note. Now look to the right side of the app and click the Expand icon. This opens or expands the right sidebar so you can access additional panels. If your right sidebar is already visible, you'll just make sure it's open wide enough to see the options clearly. In the right sidebar, click the All Properties icon. This opens a centralized view that lists every property key used across your vault, not just in the current note. It's a powerful way to keep property names consistent, spot duplicates, and quickly navigate to what matters. Inside the All Properties view, use the search field to find the property you're looking for. For example, you might search for status, topic, or source. This is especially handy once your vault grows and you want to avoid creating slightly different names for the same idea. Consistent names make filters, queries, and dashboards much more reliable. From here, make an edit. Click into the property you want to adjust and update it. You can rename a property key to standardize it or adjust values to keep your data clean. Changes you make here will reflect wherever that property is used, which helps you maintain order without opening every single note. If you're editing a property value that appears on multiple notes, take a moment to confirm the new spelling or format is exactly how you want it. Small differences can create multiple similar fields over time. A few practical tips as you work. Keep property names simple and consistent. Short, descriptive labels are best. Decide whether you prefer lowercase with hyphens or standard capitalization and stick to it. Use properties for information you'll want to filter or sort like type, project, status, or due date, and keep one-off details inside the note body. Finally, if you regularly switch between raw text and a visual interface, remember you can return to editor settings and toggle between source, hidden, and visible to match your current workflow. That's it. You opened settings, configured how properties appear, expanded the sidebar, opened the All Properties panel, searched for what you needed, and made an edit to keep your vault consistent and searchable.